The 154th day of the year, 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 equals 4 and 5, the IT system passage in the sun. I have a couple of designs I'm going to show you very quickly. I'm not going to say much about the designs, at least not yet, except for this scenario here. In the program or movie, Herbie was car number 53 electric company. The word Herbie, H and E, heaven's electronic angel in the beta I and E worlds. I and E is I-O, E-I, E-I-O, because it supports the I. The I is the center of two sides, okay? 8, 5, 13, and 18, 31, alternate current. 9 and 5, 14, continuation around the sun. There are two 14s because we have a rotation. 5, 9, 14 equals to 16, 0, 0, 0 equals to 180. There's 5 letters in here with zeros in it. That equals to 300. 318 plus 8, 326, plus 2, 328, plus 9, 337, plus 5, 342, right? 47. Let's do this again. 5 and 9. 5 is 300, right? And then obviously we have to have 47 after that, which actually would be 347. I'd like to start this again. 5 and 9 is 14, and 2 is 16 on this side, 13 on this side, 29, the birth, into this one over here. 29 and 18, 47, plus 300 is 347. 3 times 47 equals 111. 6.66 billion, a story written somewhere in the Bible, divided by 9 equals 7.4, a diamond measurement of some port. 7.4, a dog's life, times the number in Mars, or the number to the circle, which is the 15th letter, equals to 111 times 6 is 6.66. 6 times 7.4 reversal equals to 24. 6 times 7, 42. 6 by 4 is 24, and 2. 6 by 7 is 42, 444. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 7 by 24, 168 hours. 101 away from the 7th gate, 313, right over here. 3 and 3, opposite of 4 and 4. 7 hours, 24 minutes, 444 minutes, or into the nighttime at 1924. 1924 is the A and I bead. Why? Because A and I are vowels, and B and E are both in the E family. First it's B and E and D-E. The Betty, the BD, whatever that wants to mean, but it says 7, and D is 9. This equals to 7 and 9, the gateway in birth. Now, I know it might sound a little confusing because it is. 5 times 12, 60 seconds on the clock. 6 times 12, 72 parts in a half day of 10 creation of man equals to the 92 birth. 78 is that gateway. 7 times 12 is 84, the entry into Pluto, the half-life inside of Neptune and Mars, which is recreated in Magic Square. 8 becomes the spirit. 4 becomes Earth, Earth spirit, and alternate current inside Magic Square. 8 times 12 is the center black ball, creates 96 rotation because 9 is on the other side of 1. The other side of the 8 ball equals to 108 divided by 3.75, which is the movement rotation of the Earth, because 3.75 divided by 660 equals to 16, which is 8 and 8 of 30 seconds, equals to 288. Times 1.25, because rotation is 1 1/4 of all. It's always 3/4 and 1/4, equals to 360, or just 36. 144 minutes in a day. Now 3.75 times 144 equals the 5400 rotation in rotation in the moon. It's 7200, but it's only 3/4 of 7200 because 1/4, I forget where that part comes in. 72 times 375 is 3/4 of the 360 degrees. 27 is your creation inside Venus, the gateway. 1 added up to 20 is 210. Plus 20 and 1 is 231 ABC. 1 added to 15 equals 120. Plus added equals to 136. 136, 6, 1, and 3 is the laws of Moses, the touchdown, the extra point, and the field goal. The 75 divided by 3.75 is 20. Okay? Now this added to here, then add the center of the dartboard, because this would add up to the dartboard, creates this at 285. 285 is the movement. I'm not sure if it's movement around or north and south. You know, you move up and go around, you move down and go around. Let's call it the wobble. 285. So when you go 285 divided by 3.75, you end up with the spirit of 76. Now you get 76 times 76, and you get the Hebrew year this year of 5776. Or if you want, you get 3 plus 4, and 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 7 is 14, and then 3 times 4 times 3 times 4 times 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 14 equals to 2016. Those are these numbers over here. The gateway to the E-world creation of the valley, 3, 7, and 5. Forget about the 1. The 1 is played, and the only number that is created into a 7, and the only 7 you have is here, because the reflection of it is this. The only 5 you will get is here, because it is 1/4 of all parts and 1/4 of the void spaces. This is your 5 and 1 inside 4. But it's up and down the roadway, east and west the roadway, 2 directions in the roadway, this way and this way. So the value of this is not 5. The value of this is 1054 or 154. That's the day it is today. Now this is all confusing. I know I did it quick. Next thing I want to show you, but we're not going to show you. We're going to leave it in the next video. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. The last part I want to show you about this is this part over here. I missed out one part. I know I talk quick. Is this part over here. Okay. Is the split is 5 and 10 at 7 and 8. 7 goes to 5, 8 goes to 10. So 5 and 10 equals to the 15, or just say 5 and 15, don't say 10. We know what is the difference to the blue world because it's the blue ball. 72 times 60, or 72 divided by 6 equals to 12. The 12 parts of the half day equals to 864. 800 or 8,640 divided by 1440, I think that's the number, equals to 6. The reason I did this is because that's how many seconds there are. 432 times 6 equals to the 25,920 of the Mayan count. All I'm trying to show here is how these numbers go perfectly together, because it's all a relationship. Is how you treat the equations of the reality that was created by the science of those people who discovered these planets, the movement in time, and ratios of movements of straps and gears. Let's call the Jetsons. Thank you for watching. Anna Barbara.